Hey, in today's message, you guys are in for a good one, man. Today we're installing one of these 4-foot cattle gates right here. Already got my 2 posts right here concreted. Okay, been concreted in. These things have had a good 24 to 48 hours to cure, and then we gonna hang these gates right here. Comes with the hardware, the mounting hardware, and I'll show you how I do these. Very easy. Nice day outside, man. It ain't too hot. Got a nice breeze blowing by. You can get a lot done without having to worry about that sun beating down on you, wearing you down thin. So you can see these gates right here. You can get these from like Atwoods or Tractor Supply, and they run you, my location, let me see, they ran $129 for one. Okay, $129 for one. Here's your little gate chain hardware right here. Here is your mounting hardware. We're gonna go ahead and undo that bad boy right there, just like such. Have that ready to go. And they come on there like that. Let's get that up out of there good. Just like such. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we got right there. Gotta get another one out of there. Hallelujah. Getting this thing done. And that's your that's one of your gate bolts right there. Just like that. And I'm gonna show you what I use to drill the holes to get this size. You know, I pretty much got my tools right here. Use one of these bits right here, put up in there, and it gives you a good enough hole to get the threads going to where this ain't too loose in there. Got my drill up there, so we'll go ahead and get that going. Stay tuned. Okay, on this next part, what we're gonna do is I need to mark the hinges where they're gonna go. Okay, on this post over here. So I got this piece of 2x4 that I'm gonna use to prop up the gate to give me the measurements on this thing to make sure we up off the ground the right height. Okay, so you got that right there, and I'm gonna hold this, and I'm gonna take my permanent marker, and I'm gonna draw the like right there, and then down there I'm gonna do the markings on the gate. Stay tuned. So I got my markings on my gate right there. Got one right there. Got another one down at the bottom with an X. And now we just gonna go ahead and go ahead and drill these nice and flush on here. You wanna make sure you drill, like I said, nice and level. Don't gotta be perfect, because these things will still go on. And then you get to drilling, okay? Clean that hole out just a little bit, keep going. Clean it out, pulling back, letting some of that wood come up out of there. Yep, clean the hole out. Keep on going. There you go. Keep on going. Clean the hole out. Keep going. All right, we all the way through right there. Good to go. I like to round off the outside a little bit, allow them threads to get in there good. Gonna do this one the same way. Get in there nice and good. Yep, clean it out a little bit. Clean that hole out. Good. Good there. All right, we good there. Put this drill down, come back to that, and I'm gonna show you how you do the hardware up in there. Take this hardware right there, go ahead and get that going in there. And this is where you take a wrench, something like this right here, and then you start, let me show you this. You take your wrench right here, get that going up in there, and twist that joke on around in there. Just like such. real easy installation on these things, and ain't nothing hard, you know, but you don't never learn anything unless you're willing to try it. And these first couple posts that I hung, you know, they wasn't perfect, but good enough for government work. So get out here and learn you something. Get back to the basics, and you'd be surprised what you can accomplish nowadays in the era of technology. You see what I'm saying? Put that in there nice and snug. I have seen some people do it, and they put a little bit of Elmer's glue on the thread to kind of hold it, but I haven't had any problems doing this thus far. Okay, let's get that going. Yep, we all the way up in there, just like such. Bam, we good to go. That's one done. I'm gonna do the other one down here. I'll be back at you. All right, we back. Got both of them things installed on there. We good to go. Now I'm gonna show you how to mount this door, this gate right here. Real simple. Okay, line that bad boy up. On there, line your pins up. Get your bottom one. Move that bottom one right in place. Yow. And there's your gate right there. There's your gate right there. That bad boy's on there. Now what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna take this off, because I see this side is a little low, and I'm gonna screw this side in a little bit more to give it more lift on this side. But that's pretty much it right there, man. Easy little gate. Next video, I'll come back and show you how to put your hardware on here to secure the gate properly.